Over the past 5 years, typewriters have captured the attention and love of children of all ages. Their unique magic and charm set them apart from any other toy or technology. It seems that typewriters have become one of the most sought-after gifts for young aspiring writers, inspired by famous series like Wednesday on Netflix and more. In today's video, we will be sharing with you the best typewriters that we have been recommending for children and young writers over the past years. But first, let's talk about why typewriters can be helpful for our children. Typewriters can enhance motor skills and strengthen hand dexterity. The soft keys of modern laptops and desktops and even touch screens have made typing and scrolling easy, but they have also left their motor skills lacking. Typewriters with their sturdier keys offer a great way for children to exercise their hands. Another benefit of typewriters is that they can help reduce screen time. Instead of digital toys, children can spend their time typing away on a typewriter. In fact, my own daughter and son occasionally use their typewriters to test their spelling abilities, making learning a fun experience. Typewriters encourage children to slow down and think before they write or type. With these machines, they won't rush through their words, ensuring that every word they share with us is carefully considered. Finally, typewriters can be a great source of inspiration for children. Many renowned writers and authors use typewriters to write some of their most successful pieces, like Dr. Seuss, an American children's author and illustrator who wrote more than 60 books. He used a typewriter to write many of his books, including The Cat in the Hat and Green Eggs and Ham. And not to forget J.K. Rowling, who wrote the Harry Potter series, which has become one of the best-selling and most beloved franchise in the world. She used the typewriter that she bought in 1992, and she typed the first draft of Harry Potter and the Philosopher's Stones on it. Before listing the best typewriters, I would like to point out that it's best to avoid the newly manufactured typewriters as they are not reliable and problematic. Additionally, steer away from tin and toy typewriters. These are not made for typing and they are purely toys for fun. Now let's get to the best typewriter recommendations for children and young writers. When making our selection, we considered factors such as the smoothness of the keys, ease of use, and the lightweight. It's important to note that these typewriters should be properly cleaned, serviced, and professionally reconditioned before being handed to our children. Not any old typewriter will do, as they would have accumulated dust, dirt, and germs over the years. Our first recommendation is the Silver Reed typewriters. These typewriters have incredibly smooth keys, making it easy for children to type. They are also lightweight, perfect for young writers to carry around. Not to forget that they come in vibrant colors. These have been branded later in the 1970s and 1980s as Imperial, Royal, and sold under several other names that had the same mechanism. Next up, we have the Adler-Typa typewriter. These typewriters are known for their light typing keys. They are designed with children in mind, with features that make typing a breeze. Our daughter uses an Adler-Typa since 5 years and she loves it. Moving on, we have Brother typewriters. These typewriters are known for their simplicity and ease of use. They are designed to be beginner-friendly, making them a great choice for children just starting their typing journey. They also come in different colors and designs and known to be the most durable due to their sturdy metal frames. Later models have been made with plastic frames that have been lighter but less durable. Next, we have the Hermes Baby or Hermes Rocket, that was also known as Empire typewriters in the UK. We have always recommended the Hermes with metal frames. These typewriters are unique in their design and features and are sure to capture the attention of young writers. They are light and perfect for children to carry around and express their creativity. Our recommendation doesn't equally apply to Hermes Baby made with plastic frames as they are less sturdy. Last but not least, the Olivetti typewriters. In general, and specifically the Tropical and Roma models, are great choices for children. When available, these typewriters are smooth and easy to use. For an upgrade option, the Olivetti Litera 22 and 32 typewriters offer additional features perfect for young writers. Before we wrap up, please ensure that the typewriters you choose for your children are properly cleaned, serviced, and professionally reconditioned. This ensures that they are in good working condition, safe to use, and offer an enjoyable experience. To help them learn how to use their typewriters, please check our tutorials playlist on how to use a typewriter, where we covered multiple models.